In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to delete bulk posts in WordPress. Spam or unwanted content can clutter your website, disrupt user engagement, and damage your site's reputation. Removing these posts is necessary to maintain a high-quality site. To do so, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Hover over Posts and click on All Posts. You can see various posts have been created here. To delete all of these, you can simply select All from here. In case you want to exclude some, then you can unselect those like this. Once done, click on Bulk Actions. From the menu, select Move to Trash. Then click on Apply. You can see the posts those were selected to have been deleted from here. Now, WordPress simply moves the posts to trash and keeps them for a 30-day period in case you need to restore them. To delete these permanently, simply select All, click on Bulk Actions, and now select Delete Permanently or Restore. Whatever action you're looking for, really. In the case of restoring, click on Restore and hit Apply. You can see all the posts have been restored. Now, moving back, if you have more than 100 posts and you want to view those all on the same window, you can click on the Screen option here. You can set the number of posts per page here. And once you're done, click on Apply, and then you'll be able to visit those number of posts on the same page. And this is all about how to delete bulk posts in WordPress. Now, if you want to learn how to make post attachments as featured images in WordPress, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.